Hi, welcome to the divine science of astrology. In this video, we will know about Sagittarius Ascendant Lord in different houses. We will also know favorable houses, favorable fields, and favorable conjunctions. Watch till the end and subscribe my channel. Welcome to my channel Solar Astro. Sagittarius Ascendant. For getting better results, your ascendant should not be hemmed between two malefics like Rahu or Saturn. If ascendant is hemmed between malefics, then you need to put lot of efforts to overcome the obstacles in your life. Ascendant in D9 Navamsha chart should not be 6th, 8th or 12th house of your birth chart. That is, in ascendant in Navamsha chart, D9 should not be in Taurus sign or Cancer sign or Scorpio sign. If ascendant in D9 is any one of these signs, then you have to put lot of efforts to overcome the obstacles in your life. If ascendant degrees lies between 0 to 10 degrees, then you will have two sources of income. Partnerships in financial matters are not favorable to you. You are prone to be deceived by bogus companies. It is advised to be extra cautious while signing on agreements or important documents. 19, 20, 28, 29, 37, 38, 46 and 55 are important years in your life. If ascendant degrees lies between 10 to 20 degrees, then your financial position is not stable. It fluctuates. Your luck also changes frequently. It is advised to keep yourselves away from speculation. 20, 29, 38, 40, 47, 49 and 54 are important years in your life. If ascendant degrees lies between 20 to 30 degrees, then you may not face any financial problems. Your way of earning is peculiar, not ordinary. You will prosper after your marriage. You become wealthy if you keep away from speculation. 17, 26, 29, 35, 38, 42 and 49 are important years in your life. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in first house, then you are sober, wise, calm and quiet person. You are deep thinker. You are religious and talented. You rise in your life by your own efforts. You will have willpower, but you are little bit egoistic. Jupiter from first house aspects 5th house, 7th house and 9th house. Therefore, first house, 5th house, 7th house and 9th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, creative fields, own business, advisor, foreign travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in second house in Capricorn sign, then Jupiter is debilitated here. You are poised natured person. You earn wealth, but you feel insufficiency and unable to enjoy. You have good speaking skills. Your financial position starts from scratch and increases gradually, but you are little bit lazy. Jupiter from second house aspects 6th house, 8th house and 10th house. Therefore, second house, 6th house, 8th house and 10th houses are favorable houses. Finance, family business, job, occult, administration, management, secret services, software, IT are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in third house in Aquarius sign, then you are courageous and hardworking person. You rise in your life by your own efforts. Your relationships with your father is not good. Sometimes you are tempted to do evil things. You may not have good relationships with your siblings. You may have poor digestion. Jupiter from 3rd house aspects 7th house, 9th house and 11th house. Therefore, 3rd house, 7th house, 9th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Communication fields, IT, software, own business, foreign travel agencies are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 4th house in its own sign Pisces, then this is very good position. You will have all comforts. You will have good relationships with your mother and spouse. You will have good professional life. There may be delay in childbirth. You make huge investments or you may donate huge amounts. Jupiter from 4th house aspects 8th house, 10th house and 12th house. Therefore, 4th house, 8th house, 10th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Real estate, property dealing, occult, secret services, hospital services, foreign travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 5th house in Aries sign, then you are lucky person. You have divine blessings. You are intelligent and achieve high status. You are attracted towards speculation. You are quick in action and sometimes you are short tempered. Jupiter from 5th house aspects 9th house, 11th house and 1st house. Therefore, 1st house, 5th house, 9th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, creative fields, foreign travel agencies, own business are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 6th house in Taurus sign, then you will win over your enemies. You may not command the respect you deserve. You may have some digestion problems. Jupiter from 6th house aspects 10th house, 12th house and 2nd house. Therefore, 2nd house, 6th house, 10th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Food industry, finance, family business, job, administration, foreign travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 7th house in Gemini sign, then you are more interested in self. You are soft spoken person. You raises above your father's position. Your spouse is highly educated or high status. You prosper more in foreign land. You have good communication skills. Jupiter from 7th house aspects 11th house, 1st house and 3rd house. Therefore, 1st house, 3rd house, 7th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, journalism, own business, communication fields are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 8th house in Cancer sign, Jupiter is exalted here. You will have long life. You get inherited property. You may also have secret income. You are interested in astrology. You may be in government service. But if Jupiter is afflicted by malefics, then your diseases cannot be detected till the last stage. Jupiter from 8th house aspects 12th house, 2nd house and 4th house. Therefore, 2nd house, 4th house, 8th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Finance, family business, real estate, occult, secret services, foreign travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 9th house in its friendly sign Leo, then you are materialistic and you have practical approach towards life. You may visit foreign countries. You are always lucky. You are religious. You attain good status in society. Your father is your teacher. Jupiter from 9th house aspects 1st house, 3rd house and 5th house. Therefore, 1st house, 3rd house, 5th house and 9th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, communication fields, software, foreign travel agencies, creative fields are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 10th house in Virgo sign, then you are good administrator, you are a blessed person, but you may not reach top position. You get inherited property. Jupiter from 10th house aspects 2nd house, 4th house and 6th house. Therefore, 2nd house, 4th house, 6th house and 10th houses are favorable houses. You may have career in judiciary or law, finance, family business, real estate, high-end jobs are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 11th house in Libra sign, then you will have long life. You have good business sense. You are materialistic and get benefit from friends and relatives. You will not have any money problems. You may have good education and you look after your siblings. You will have blessings of elders. Jupiter from 11th house aspects 3rd house, 5th house and 7th house. Therefore, 3rd house, 5th house, 7th house, 11th houses are favorable houses. Own business, communication fields, software, IT, creative fields are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Jupiter is in 12th house in Scorpio sign, then you are a deep thinker. You are interested in astrology. You will have foreign connections. You have less attachments and you may not get much happiness from children. You are a little bit lazy also. Jupiter from 12th house aspects 4th house, 6th house and 8th house. Therefore, 4th house, 6th house, 8th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Hospital services, secret services, occult, insurance are favorable fields for you. The favorable conjunctions for Sagittarius ascendant are Jupiter Sun and Jupiter Mars and Sun Mars and Sun Mercury. These are favorable conjunctions for Sagittarius ascendant persons. For complete horoscope reading, you can contact me. My mail ID is solarastro9@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive latest notifications.